So we're now looking at current in parallel circuits. Here's the diagram. I've drawn it out first before I made it, number one rule. And I've put in an ammeter there and there. And we're going to read the current. Now remember when you're doing these at school or at home or wherever, that you don't actually use 4 ammeters, you just use one. And then you move it around the circuit. Remember that an ammeter is the one with an A on, and that it needs to be put in series within a circuit. So, first of all, we're going to measure the current here next to the battery. So, I can put it in here next to the battery. Lovely, everything works. And I can switch that on, and we have 0.36. So I'm going to write that here, guys. 0.36 amps. Turn that off. Take it out again. Always go back to your diagram, because then it saves you from getting all complicated. So then take it out and think, okay, where is the next place I want to measure? It's here. So it's in between, it's nowhere next to this bulb here. So I can unplug this, like so. Note that that stays on. And we can measure the current there. 0.18. 0.18. 19. Let's write that there. I'm going to stick with 1.8 because it's nicer, you know why. Turn it off. Unplug. See how methodical you need to be. It's like cooking, actually. It's like being a clean cook. Wipe your knife, put your waste in the bin and all this kind of stuff. So now we're going to go down here. Now this one's to the left of this bulb here. So we just unplug that. Oh, we've got an extra junction in there. And that goes there. And this is there. Lovely, everything's still working. And if you can see that, it's 0.18. You can write that down. Again, turn it off. Unplug. Unplug. Goes back in there. Back on. And the last one there, we can see that it's to the left of that junction, or above that junction up here, and it's also next to the battery there. So I can put it directly in the battery, or I could unclip that too. Doesn't really matter. Because it's easy, I can unplug this one here, without dropping stuff on the floor. And let's put that on there. Just flip it. Sorry about that if that confuses you, but it's all still there. There we go. And 0.37. There we go. 0.37. Unplug that, turn that off. Now, what you should observe there, guys, is in a parallel circuit, your current splits in half. Well, or it would split in 3 if there was an extra bulb, and 4, so forth. So whatever's current's coming out the battery, it travels down the circuit, and then half of it goes in one direction, along one road, if you like, and the other half goes down the other. And they go to the components, and then they come back up, and they join up again here. The current joins up. So in a parallel circuit, what's wrong with me? In a parallel circuit, the current splits and then joins up again. You notice that? 0.18 is half of 0.3637. Okay? I hope that is clear for you.